Have to redeem a Spotify gift card. In order to do that, head over and click on to this profile icon that you have right here. And then from there, click on the settings and privacy. Now, once you have done that, next thing you need to do is you need to head over to your account. Click on this account option, and in here you can see your account details. So if you click on this close your account, it will direct you to the accounts page of Spotify. However, you can also head over first to your Google and then go from there. For example, let's search in here for Spotify. You have in here open at spotify.com. You can click onto this gear icon, then click on this view account option. And then from in there, you can scroll down and in here you can see this payment option. Click on this redeem and then enter in here your premium code and then just click on this captcha and then continue in order to redeem it. So that's how you redeem a Spotify gift card. Hope we help.